Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2020 GLA 250 4MATIC. This one's black. Underneath the hood's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 208 horsepower and 258 pounds of torque. For wheels we've got 18-inch split 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. Front and rear LED daytime running lights. A black MB-Tex interior. Panorama sunroof. Coming around back, we got our GLA 250 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, set of all-season and regular floor mats, fold down rear seats, cargo cover. Coming alongside, this one does come with an LED logo which appears when you open the door. Memory seats, power windows. Hopping in. Got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, our media display. This one also does come with a convenience package, which is going to give you auto dimming rear mirrors and garage door openers. A rear view backup camera, salt pattern trim, hard keys for a media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, cup holders. This GLA 250 has 3,269 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLA 250, check out feldmanimports.com.